An e-commerce website is paramount in your business nowadays. A lot of persons overlook this because they feel it's not needed. If you're an online vendor, sending your product on WhatsApp alone is not enough. Sending your product on your Facebook page enough is not enough for you. You have to go overboard. Have your personal website, because at that particular time, a lot of people see you as being serious, and a lot of people will want to take you as being serious also, because they know, okay, they can go to a particular platform whereby they can choose their choice. Just like when you go to websites like Amazon, Jumia, Congo, and the rest, you are able to choose what you want to buy. They are not sending your product on WhatsApp and say, okay, send me screenshot, send me a product and tell me the price. You already see the price there. So if you're interested, you just get to click and order straight away from online without any stress. So all you have to put your straight into as an e-commerce, as an online vendor, is just your promotion. So that's what you need to put your strength into. So today I'll be showing us how we can actually build a professional looking e-commerce website for our business, step-by-step process. Thank you for staying tuned. And my name still remains Sylvester Young, and what I do in the channel, I teach us money making tips. I teach us training also, because you know, online, before you learn online, most times you need to know how to do some things. It helps you to learn also. So once you know how to do a little you have a skill, an online skill, a soft skill for you to do your business, you'll be able to promote your business, and you're able to go far, and you'll be able to make good money online. So kindly click on the subscribe button if you know you're not subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. And lastly, along the line, if you see a lot of what I do, kindly click on the like button so that this video can reach out to a lot of persons, and a lot of persons can get to learn from what I'm teaching here on this channel. And with that being said, let's go to my PC where I'll show us how to do this effectively. So building an e-commerce website is something a lot of persons see as a very big deal. A lot of persons feel it's something that it's rocket science, something that you are going to actually break your head or think out of the box too much before you're able to do it. Fine, yes, you have to think out of the box before you have to do anything creative, but with this tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how we can do this effectively. So nobody will be able to tell me that after this tutorial they can actually attempt this. It's only maybe you don't have the time. So, and once you don't have the time, you can actually give it to me, and I'll be able to work on it for you. So that's what we do in our business. We work on websites for clients, and not just website, web app also. So we do that for clients. So today's video is centered on building a beautiful website. So how will this video turn out to be? The video is going to be in series, so I'll urge you to watch to the end of the series so you are able to get everything that is in this video. So you get everything, get the tutorial from beginning to end. So what I will do, maybe in a week I'll try to upload like 3 videos on this particular topic, because I have to upload videos on other topics. For this particular building of a website, like a e-commerce website for your business or for a client, it's something I'm going to be going through, and just stay tuned. This is our first video. So in this our first video, I'm going to be building an e-commerce website. Yes, an e-commerce website. That is what we are going to be building. So with that being said, let us dive into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do in order to build an e-commerce website is very simple. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my domain name. So how do I get that domain name? Where do I get that domain name from? And that is it. So most times I suggest you get your domain name on your hosting from a service called Bluehost. Let's go to Bluehost. So go to Bluehost or Bluehost. Yeah, Bluehost. Yeah. So this company most times comes with they have different packages. So I'll go to Bluehost. So domain name, WordPress, and Bluehost, and the rest. So you see, I'm telling you here that okay, website builder, WordPress made easy. See, start building around the $2.95. But I would not like you to go through this route, because most times a lot of things you want to manage on yourself that you will not be able to manage on this route. So what I advise is you buy a normal web hosting, like a shared hosting. This is a shared hosting. This is what you buy for hosting. But before you get a shared hosting, look for a domain name to buy. So you can see a lot goes for say 70% here. So, but if you are going to use my link below the video to get your hosting or your domain name, you are going to be able to get it for a cheaper rate. So you can see I click on domains on Bluehost here. So here I can search for a domain I want to buy. So when I search for the domain name, or maybe every market, or let me just say every market. Okay, and let's say everymarket.com. So everymarket.com is loading. So you can see loading, and what it tells us, sorry, every market is unavailable. So you keep searching and you get a particular domain name that is available that will suit your business. So that is that about domain name. After getting your domain name, searching for getting your domain name, so the next thing you need to do is get your hosting also. And for me, you can actually add get your hosting, you add a domain name, I'll continue. Then you get your hosting also on a particular platform. So it's very easy to do. So what you just need to do, what I want you to do is you also use my link below in the description, log in and use it to sign up, and you get a 13% bonus when you use that link to sign up on below. So the link is below the description of this video. So that being said, talking about how to get your domain name and hosting, we are done with that. So the next thing we'll be going on to now is I'll be showing us how we can okay, I've got my domain name and hosting. There's a detail that will give you like a cPanel detail, that they call it. So what the first thing I'm going to do, so I want to log into my domain name now. I've got my domain name and hosting. So the next thing I have to do, I'll go and I'll click on okay. This is I'll click on okay. So and I'll do okay. Panel, so I use panel details to do that here. So like that. So I'll come here and log into this cPanel. So I'll go and grab my cPanel details from where I feel it is. Yes, so I'll click on the password and I click on login. So that is that for that. So click on login, and after that, so when you're on your cPanel, the next thing you need to do is to scroll down and come down. Under there, you see where you have Substaculous apps installer here. You can see it. You click on WordPress there. So when you click on WordPress, it takes you to a ID where you want to do your WordPress, install your WordPress on your cPanel. So this is it here. So through this, you show you where you want to install your WordPress on your cPanel. Okay. So these are test cases I already installed on my cPanel, and these are other websites that I've hosted, WordPress websites here. What I will do, I'll just come and delete this off here. I have to delete this because I don't need this again. I'm moving it from WordPress, yes. So I want to install a new one. So for this tutorial sake, so I'm showing all this process. So you know that when you want to start yours, it's something you can do straightforward. It was very, very straightforward. So return to WordPress management. So we are supposed to go back to our view. Sorry. So installation ID. Okay. So that is that for that. So scroll up, and under here, this is where we are going to click on either we do quick install or custom install. So I will see custom installation. So first it asking me the domain name where I want to install this. So yeah, I'm sure I'll get that error. So I'm going to get back there again because SSL is not installed on that particular domain name. So look at this domain name here right now. So what I already have a website running on this domain name, so I won't be using domain name. So I'm using a sub folder, a sub domain, and which is a sub folder I'll be using. Okay, so that sub folder I'll be using is, I just call it tutor. So just for lesson sake. So that is that for that. So tutor, it's what I'll use in installing it, and I'll just scroll down. So yeah, I change my username. You can change it to what I want to change my username to. Let me change to SEO Investor 1234. So I change that to SEO Investor 1234. Then the password, I'm going to use a password again. So that password. Like, look at my password. At the end of the day, I'm going to hide it. Let me go hide it here. Some people will be able to. We're trying to hack it. So, admin password is what I'm going to be putting there. So the admin password is let me change that. Okay. Yes, I have to change the admin password. So okay. So Sylvester 1234. So then admin email. Let's just leave it there like that. So what is the next? Scroll down, then I click on install. So you see, in no minutes, our installation starts. So you see, the installation has started. It's installing. So in no minutes, the installation will finish installing. You can see we are done with installation. So what's the next thing here? After we've done the installation, so click on that WP here. So you can see it has taken us to our so it's actually loading for also loads and stops. So I don't know why. So I feel maybe my network is bad. So yeah, I clicked the login here. So I clicked it. This is my login. So in case you want to log into your WordPress dashboard where you can start designing. So it's very easy. Just do this WP admin. So the main reason, remember the main reason I told you why I'm using this link / tutor is because of I don't want to I already have a website running on this, so I don't want to obstruct that. So I just want to touch WP admin. So that's why I have to click on something. But normally, if it's your own website, it's going to be hosted here. You are going to install it here, not having a subdomain. So I hope that is understood. So I'll click on the POP admin. So I like to load. So you can see it has come here. So remember our details we used here. So details we used here is Sylvester 1234. Then we have the password, and our password was So that's our password. So click on login. So it's telling us incorrect username or password, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I thought I had the correct username just now. Okay. So it's telling us, so let's go. Sylvester 1234. So let's go. So that is now trying to log in again. Second and 10 fields. So what I'm going to do here is, and the email for my lost password has not been set. So let me try one more time and see if I'm able to log into my. If I'm not able to take me to WP admin. So yes, I've logged in. Congratulations to me. I've been able to log into my dashboard. So I was actually right. This is my username. So maybe I was omitting a password, which I'm going to try and reset later. So okay, that is that for that. So the next thing we are going to do, we're able to log into our admin dashboard right now. And the next thing we are going to do, it's very simple, and I'm going to come here. So next thing I'm going to be doing is installing a theme. So how do you install a theme? And that's what I'll be showing us. But before we talk about how we install a theme, a premium theme, because I'm doing a e-commerce website. So if I show you how we can install a premium theme, the first thing I want to show us is let's go and look for how to get a free theme. So there are ways you can get premium themes. Normally, there's what they call the not premium themes, which most times I'm not advised you to go with that because a lot of viruses and everything, malware can attack your website. But there's this other place you can actually get premium theme from, which is very, 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 very easy, and that is Theme Forest. So Theme Forest. So in Theme Forest, you can actually get so let's just do Theme Forest WordPress. Let's do WordPress Theme Forest WordPress. So let's do WordPress themes. So you can see and you can look at it and you can see that it's opening WordPress theme. So here you can search for any themes you want to use here. So here you can search for any theme you want to use there. So you can see search for any theme and you get it. Well, today I already get out my theme I'm going to be using, which I'm going to install. I've already downloaded it to my desktop. So in order to install a theme you are uploading from your desktop, it's very easy. From your computer, very easy. Go to Appearance, go to Themes. So under Themes, allow Themes to load. Under Themes is loading. So other themes, you are going to click on Add New. So when you click on add, you allow your website to load. When you click on add new theme, you see it's loading. So here it's telling me upload theme. So when I click on that, I click on choose theme. I already have the theme to upload this WordPress theme, and you see that I click that and click on open. So I click on install. So let's wait for it to install. Because after the installation, it's when I'm going to start editing the website. So I'll show you how it will be done, but I won't be telling you on editing this particular series. So in the next series, I'm going to show you how I can edit our logo and start when working on the website. And apart from that, I'll show us how we can start promoting our service online with this particular skill we have. So we'll wait for our WordPress installation to our team installation to actually finish before we start the other processes. Yeah, so our team has finished installing. So what next do we have to do here? So we have to click on activate. See it here, click on activate. So in order to activate our team, so that's what I just did. Now click on activate. So it's activated. So this team's premium team comes with plugins that you need to install. So there's what we call plugins on WordPress website. So these plugins are what you use in most of the functionality of the website. Like when it comes to e-commerce website, there are plugins like WooCommerce, which is very needed for the shop, for your shop, for all the process on your shop and the rest. So let me just leave that for later. So let's not begin installation. So yeah, I just click begin installation, installing plugins there. So you can see. So I'll do a bulk installation. See what I do. I click on everything. So I click on that and I click on install, and I click on apply. So you'll see as I click on apply, see it's installing. So you see it says installing our plugins 1, 2. So just wait for everything to finish installing. So so all the plugins that are needed, installing all the plugins that are needed for our website to work well, to be very functional. So that is just it for that. That for that. This for that. So let's go. So yes, so we are done. So if it's installed the 10th and the 11th of 11. So now we have to return to required plugins. So now we are done installing. Next we have to activate these plugins so that they can take effect on our platform. So click on bulk and click on activate. Then click on apply. So that's that we need to do for that. So let's wait for it to be done. So see, it's everything that I've activated. So we come to that dashboard. So there's what they call demo importation. So you know our teams comes down. So I want to show you something. If I go and visit this website, now you see that the website will be blank. Why? Because we've not installed demo content to our website. So let me come here. So and I'll do this. Okay. So you can see it's still having my blog. So all these things we're going to I'll show us how we can edit them. So with this, I'm going to show us how we build a complete. We're going to build a complete e-commerce website. We're going to install the payment systems, different. You can see how blank everything is now. You can see you have this the demo team, that team logo that comes with it. I'm going to see how we can change this team logo and everything too. I'm going to show us how we can do that in this tutorial, but not today in the other series. So first thing, you can see our website is looking. So the next we need to do, we have to install demo content on our website. So let's go to under team setup. Go to under team setup. Yeah, let's allow it to load. So it's loading. So on that team setup, you can see welcome. Say start. So click on start. Then I'm clicking on install. Yeah, install. So with this now it's installing for us. So it's showing us okay, what are we installing? So come down here and so let's install that particular demo. So there are different demos. You can see demo 2. Let's install demo 2. So and let's click on import. So wait for this percentage to be done. Start importing 1, 2, 3. So once it's done, you see all our website will look like. So let us wait for this to finish importing. So the demo content has finished installing. So what next are we going to do? So it says view your website. So that is just it. So we have done that. So we'll go back to this other page, so we can view our website from there, so and see if we can see any changes currently on based on the importation. So let's loading right now. Website is loading. You can see some changes based on the demo content. So it's not look like a website right now. So before it would not look like a website at all. So you can see, voila, you can see. So what we're going to do is in our next episode, you can see. In our next episode, I'll show us how we can edit the logo and change some contents. You can just still leave these images if you feel like, because it's demo, I'm doing demonstration. So I can show you how you can update these images even though you don't want them on the platform. So you can see our website.com. So the client can just ask you, I need a skincare e-commerce website. So I bought this one once and for all. You see how everything is looking sweet and nice. You can actually change the color and the lot. So that's just it with this particular tutorial. So stay tuned. In our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how we can actually edit our logo, change the logo, edit this text, contact page, change this menu, edit the menu to suit what menu we need and other things. And if you notice now, let's do some things. So okay, let's say makeup. So different categories there. Let's say under makeup and we have content here. Let's say click on add to cart there. You see what will happen. You can see it's just loading and let's wait. You can see, let's wait, you can see. Okay, that open. So you can see it happen. So basically it's telling you, okay, to click on add to cart here. So I'm trying to show you what how this works. So you can see there. You can see it has added to cart. So you see our few shopping carts here at the top. So you can click on checkout. So this something checkout or you view cart. Let's view carts and see what's in our carts. So you can see what's in our carts there. So let's proceed to checkout here. So what I'm trying to make you also understand is when we click on proceed to checkout, there's something I want us to see there. So okay, you can see payment method. See, sorry, it seems that there's no available payment method for your state or something. This is because we'll not set the payment method on our WooCommerce, which is our WordPress plugin where that handles payment and handles them products or put on our e-commerce website. So you can see how easy to build a e-commerce website so fast and simple. So just kindly look at this video and once you want to do anything pertaining building a online shop or something. So I'm done with that. So in our next class, I'm going to show you how you can edit this particular text at the top of my blog, everything to your own personal website. So and at the end of the day, you'll be able to you'll be happy that you'll be able to create a well and good looking e-commerce website for your business. Thank you very much, and I actually hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you love what you just learned in this tutorial. If you truly love what you just learned in this tutorial, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. So and also I'm releasing a course very soon on how to make money online, and this course will be fully packed on a particular training also, and not just making money online. You're going to be learning some things also in that video that will help you make money online and where you have to look out for in order to make money online also. So if you see that you'll be interested in this particular course, kindly click on the link in the description below of this video and register before time. So I'm giving out a 80% discount for everybody who registered before the course is being released. Thank you very much once again, and see you in my next tutorial. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to be showing us how we are going to install this website, how we're going to edit this theme, the website theme, so that it's going to look very, very good and pleasing to a customer or to your clients who will be seeing your website. Thank you very much once again, and see you in my next video.